What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Big news, the Broke to Build contest is back for 2022. Now this is a dirt bike building competition hosted by Cameron Neimela, and I'm going to be entering my CR125 into the competition.
Guys, I've got some exciting news for you all. The 2022 Broke to Build contest is now live.
Now in order for me to enter my bike into this competition, I'm going to have to do something special, because if you've been following along, my bike is already halfway complete and it's been a total restoration up to this point. So in order to see a transformation and be worthy of being in this competition, I'm going to have to take my bike to another level. So that is my intention, to do something really special with this bike and make it stand out from everybody else's. Now this competition is going to be good for me in two ways. One, it puts a deadline on me finishing this bike, which is going to give me a target, it's going to give me a goal to hopefully get this bike completed, and that is April 31st, 2022. And the other reason is because it's going to raise my ambition to make this bike into something really special, that the judges are going to see that there's been a transformation and they're going to think that this is a really special bike. So with that in mind, the next step of this build is to lay down some Cerakote. Now I'm not going to be sending this off to somebody to be doing the powder coating or Cerakoting for me. I've gone and got myself a sandblast cabinet and all the gear to be able to do Cerakote myself. I've tested out some samples, I've been playing with the colours and thinking about what kind of colour combination that I want to go with, and we're going to be doing things like the brake master cylinder, the brake calipers, engine mounts, clutch covers, all kinds of things like that. So I'm looking forward to being a part of that. I can't wait to see what everybody else builds, and I hope everybody takes a look and sees what I'm doing. So thanks Cameron for putting on this competition. I'm sure you can find out all the information on his channel. Best of luck to everybody out there that's going to be building a bike. Let's have some fun, let's encourage each other to make our bikes the best things that we can, and I look forward to seeing what you guys create. And if you want to see what I've already done with this CR125, then click the playlist at the end of this video, hit the subscribe button to follow the build, leave a comment wishing me luck, and with all that said, it's time to crack on with this build. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next one.
You know I got it made.